You'll never get a good grade in GCSE Maths if you keep losing marks on simple topics like these. Hi there, my name is Sahej. I've been tutoring for the past 14 years, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve questions related to upper and lower bounds in less than 30 seconds. So let's start by understanding what bounds actually mean. Suppose you are given a number like 74, rounded off to the nearest integer value, and you are asked to find out its upper and lower bound. Now first draw the number line, write down the number 74 in the middle. Now since we are given it is rounded off to the next integer value, now so we'll write down the next integer above it, and that is 75, and the next integer below it, that is 73. Now we'll find out the middle values between the integer. 74 and 75 is 74.5, and the middle value between 73 and 74 is 73.5. So the lower bound becomes 73.5 and the upper bound becomes 74.5. Now you need to remember, when you are writing down bounds, then make sure that while writing down the upper and lower bound, you put down a less than equal to sign to 73.5, but just a less than sign for 74.5, because 74.5, this exact number, does not get rounded off to 74. But if it is something like 74.49, that will get rounded off to 74. Now let's take a slightly more complex case. In this question we are given 75.5 is rounded off to the nearest 0.5, and you are asked to find out the upper and lower bound. Now since it's rounded off to the nearest 0.5, the next value above it will be simply add the degree of accuracy we are given, that is 0.5, to that. So that will be 76, and the previous number will get by subtracting the degree of accuracy. So that will be again 75. So the middle value between 75.5 and 76 is 75.75. And the middle value between 75 and 75.5 is 75.25. So the lower bound is 75.25 and the upper bound is 75.75. Now let's see if you've mastered this topic. Here is a quick question. If you think you know the answer, drop it in the comments below. Thank you.